Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today in this video, I will teach you how to put a link on your TikTok bio. So let's begin. The first thing you should do is open TikTok and go to your profile. Go to your profile and click on the three dot right on the right top corner and click on manage account. Now switch to pro account. Click on the switch to pro account and now tap on the business, best for brands, retailer, organizations and service providers. Click on next and choose your category. Here I am uh, choosing, let's say, gaming. Next, now you can edit your profile and put a link to your website. Here I will put my link and show you. Save. Now here the link is here, so whenever anyone taps on the link, he will be redirected to your profile. Thank you.